This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Cabin air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever located above the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal. Then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. The cabin air filter is under the center of the instrument panel, to the right of the accelerator pedal. Remove the left instrument panel lower cover, forward of the console, with a plastic trim tool. Unscrew the mounting nuts, then remove the accelerator pedal position sensor. Disconnect the electrical connector from the pedal. Remove the filter cover from the side of the HVAC housing. Pull the cabin filter out of the housing. Install the new filter into the housing. Make sure the arrow on the filter is pointing to the rear of the vehicle. Install the filter cover, clipping it securely in place. Connect the electrical connector to the pedal. Install the accelerator pedal assembly. Tighten the mounting nuts securely. Install the left instrument panel lower cover.